Hey, what about you? I mean, how's your husband like Washington, D.C.? What's his name, Gerard?
Gerald
Yes.
has passed on.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yes, Gerald's passed. I've come here to settle his estate.
Estate? I thought Gerald was a janitor at the mental institution.
No. Now, where did you hear a thing like that? Gerald was a consulting psychiatrist, and a very good one, too. Now, what happened, one of his patients, a pyromaniac who was progressing beautifully, had a slight setback and set the hospital on fire. And when Gerald tried to save him, well, let's just say he died a hero.
Then you free as a bird, too, ain't you?
Yes, I am.
Ain't nothing like two free birds, you know, getting together over a glass of Ripple, is it?
No, sorry.